Before everything, a little disclaimer. I am horrible at welding. This is my first time, and I did not want to watch any videos just to challenge myself. So, please be patient, and don't hate on me in the comments. So I'm gonna be using these two metal plates to practice, so I can get better. And the goal of this video is to make a welding workbench. That's the goal, about the materials. So I'm gonna turn it on, then plate. I'm gonna have it at the lowest speed. I plug this there, and now I can just press this and it should weld. I suck at this. I don't know what classifies as decent. That's a lot of improvement from these. I'm gonna keep doing it for an hour, and once I'm somewhat better, I'm gonna show you. So this is how it's been. That one's pretty decent. There's a couple good ones. I'm getting a bit better at it compared to the first ones, as you can see. So I'm gonna keep doing it. If I sound weird, the fumes. So I'm gonna be cutting this into tiny pieces so I can see if I can weld it together and then do the hammer test. I'm going to try to weld these two together. So like this or something, and then I'm gonna hit it with a hammer to see if it sticks. So this is what I ended up doing. And it's not perfect, but I don't have a desk. This is holding it. I'm gonna do one tack welder, one tack welder. After realizing that I need better equipment, I got some better clothes. And the helmet I was using was also broken. And I freaked out for like 2 whole days. But I got a new one. So I decided to keep practicing. Wow, that's not metal, that's aluminum. So now that I can't even build the desk because it's aluminum and I didn't even realize, I know, I'm super stupid. I decided to just practice more and I would just end up buying a desk. And this is it, fully built. You know, I really don't know what I'm doing here. Does it look like I know what I'm doing? This is what happens when you decide to not watch any tutorials or any videos about welding. This one doesn't actually look that bad. And he hold up pretty good, not gonna lie. Drop test. I don't know why I'm doing a drop test. Look at these beautiful welds. Yeah, I know, they are horrible. I suck horribly at this. You know, I'm very excited to keep doing this. I'm very excited to keep practicing. I'm gonna practice a lot on my own. And because the project that I wanna make, it's gonna be very, very fun to do. And I'm gonna enjoy it so much. And subscribe to the channel if y'all want to see what I'm going to do. It's definitely going to be worth it. You don't know how surprised I was that this did not went flying. Those are a bit better. I know the splatter is really bad. I read that it could be because the wire is melting too fast, so I might have to change the ground, but we'll see. And once again, it did not went flying. I was super surprised. Look at me trying to tack weld. And obviously failing miserably. That one does look pretty good, but it didn't even hold up. And this one looks absolutely horrible. But it somehow still survived the hammer test. This is what I made in like 3 hours of just me practicing over and over again. But I will definitely practice a lot on my own because I cannot do the project I want to do now with how it is. If y'all like the video, definitely subscribe to the channel. There's a very good project coming. I'm very interesting. Only seen a couple on YouTube and I didn't even saw it finish. So subscribe and watch my other videos.